Hello everyone. Now we are going to see how to add numbers. How to create an addition table for a given number. So vi space. We have already created a program. So let's see how the algorithm will be. sh and the files with .sh are called shell script. So echo means similar to print function in C, and read is similar to scan. And the for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10. That means it has to print number. It has to add the number with numbers starting from 0 to 10, and I plus plus means I value will increase gradually. For example, 1, if you enter number as 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 6, 3 plus 3 plus 4 7, and so on. Do loop, and C is the result. That is what is going to print, and echo C is print C. C value is the output what we are expecting, and done. So let's see how that works. WQ exit. So to execute a shell file, what you have to do is sh space file name dot sh, enter. So I am going to give the number as 5, enter. So 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 5 10, 5 plus 6 11, 5 plus 7 12, 5 plus 8 13, 5 plus 9 14, 5 plus 5 plus 10 15. And now what we are going to see is how to write a program to find a factorial of a number using shell language. So the program is already done, and we will see how it works and looks. So it's a shell scripting language. So sh, enter. Shell script to find sum of n numbers. Hello everyone. Now our task is to find factorial of a given number in shell scripting language. So q2.sh. The program is already typed, so we don't need to type it. Echo, enter the number. So this command is used to show the user that they have to enter a number, read number. This is used to read the number factorial 1. So for any number to get a factorial, we have to start multiplying it with 1 and so on up to that number. So for I equal to 2, since 1 is already declared, the value of I starts from 2. I plus plus is used to tell that the I value has to increase. So I less than or equal to number. So if we declare a number, we have to, it will increase, so number up to, it will increase up to that number. So factorial into I, so 1 into 2 and so on up to that number, echo fact. So this command is used to print the output what we got. So let's check how it works. WQ, and To execute a command in shell scripting language, we have to do is sh enter. So I am declaring the number as 8. So this is how the command works. And to get sum of n numbers in shell scripting language, so vi, so find sum of n numbers using for loop. We are using for loop to find sum of n numbers. So enter the size and read n. So this command reads the number, how many numbers we are going to enter. For example, if we declare 10 as the size of array, we have to enter 10 numbers. If we declare 3, we can just enter only 3 numbers, and this program is configured according to our requirement. So enter the numbers. So this command is used to enter the numbers. So for I is equal to 1 and I plus plus, this program is done using for and do. Read number, sum, and this is the logic of the algorithm and the logic of the program. Done is used to say that the program is finished, and echo sum. So this command prints the output. So let's see how it works. So I am giving the size as 4. So so sum of these numbers is 190, and our next program is to find sum of n odd numbers. So q enter. So what we will enter number. So this point of the program asks for number and read n. It reads the input is equal to 0. So the first number is kept as 0, and for I equal to 1, so the value start increasing from 1, 2 and so on up to that number. So this signifies that, and I plus plus signifies increase in that numbers. So do, we are using do function here, and s equal to I, and yes, s is 0 and I is the numbers what we got. Done, which signifies the program, which says that the program is completed. Echo sum is, and so we'll see how it works. Q sh enter the number. We are giving 6, 21. So we will check it again. We will give odd number this time. So 9, 45. So this is how the command works. Now what we have to do is we have to print the sum, the multiplication table of a given number. So vi, the program is already typed, so q5. So this command asks for input from the user as which number we have to print multiplication table for, and this command asks the user to declare number up to what we have to print. So This is the logic. I is equal to 0 while I in le or do echo n into I. So n I is 0 and the real processing starts from here. So n into I and I plus 1. So the value will increase up to r, and done refers to finishing of the. So let's see how it works. So yes, hatch, and we are going to give as the number, and we will print up to 19. So 19 into 0 to 19 into 19. This is how the command works. So our next program is to print numbers up to 10. 6. So as we can see, echo display numbers from 10 to 1 in reverse, 1 to 10 in reverse order. So n equal to 10 it is declared. So this is just a simple program for I equals 0 and n I equal to n. So n is 10, I plus I is declared as 0. So, and this signifies this shows increase. So do c equal to n and I. So 10 and echo c, done. So let's see how it works. As h enter 10. So now what we have to do is we have to print Fibonacci series up to a given number. So the program is already typed. So what we are going to do, since the program is modified too many times, we'll get this. So how many Fibonacci numbers wants to be generated? So this is this number. So this number is asked for from the user. So read n. This reads n numbers. The input given by the user, x is declared as 0, y is declared as 1, and I is declared as 2, echo. And so what output should we get is declared at first. So echo x y while I minus lt n do I is equal to x per I 1 plus $I plus 1 z x per x plus y and r. This is the logic to print Fibonacci series, and these are the basic things that has to be declared first. So this is the algorithm along with this. And this is the logic, this is the output, this is for output, this is for input, and this says that the program is completed. So here let's execute it and see what we get. So Since it is a shell scripting language, what we have to do is sh to execute it, and I am giving up to 21. So these are the Fibonacci numbers that we will get up to 21. And our next program is to print numbers up to compare three numbers and print which one is the greater. So the program is already typed, so echo enter number, so 1. So since we are asked to print only for three numbers, we wrote a program that is capable of comparing only three. Echo enter number 1, enter number 2, number 3, and if number 1 minus 2 and number 1 minus 3, then echo number 1. So what this exactly means, if number 1 is greater than number 2 or number 2 is greater than number 3, we will get number 1. Else number 2 is greater than number 1 and number 3 is greater than number 2 is greater than number 3, we will get number 2 is greater. Sorry, number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 3, we will get number 1 as the greatest number. Else if we get number 2 is greater than number 1 and number 3, we will get number 2 as the greater one. Or else if number 3 is greater than, the third condition will be number 3 will be greater. And Fi, right, so we will see how it works now. So so 1, I am declaring F52, 69, 5, 75 is greater. Let's run it again. So this is how the program works. Then our next program is to check whether the given number is even or odd. So the program is given, so read the number. It's a simple logic, so it will ask for the number, it will read that and it will test it. So if the number divided by 0, the percentile symbol is used when we have the quotient is important, remainder is important. So if the test is, if the number divided by 2 leaves the remainder as 0, then it is a even number. If it does not leave 0 as remainder, then it is odd. So we will check it. WQ and SH. So we will give 58. The number is even. Now we will give the odd number 69. This is the odd number. So this is how the program works. So these are the basic programs for shell scripting language. Thank you.